We all know one of those competitors who is able to make communication with his or her clients seem so smooth and effortless. Maybe they are natural, or maybe they just know the secrets I want to share with you today. There is a lot more to effective communication than the words coming out of your mouth. Agree? There is a real art to the way powerful presenters speak and connect with others. And today, I want to dive into 3 components to great communication. Here is a hint. It's not so much about you as it is how you make the other person feel. Let's dive in. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsen, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe below to get more insights on how to grow your real estate business. Effective communication component number 1. How you listen. You might expect the first step to effective communication to be something about the way you say things, but no, we are not there yet. How you listen is every bit or more important than what you say. People need to know they are being heard. So here is few pointers. Make appropriate eye contact. That means looking people in their eye but not staring at them like a zombie. Stand square to the person whenever possible, not at an angle. When listening, don't be compelled to talk. You will get your chance. Be patient. And the pro tip, if you struggle with interrupting, take a drink after you say something so you make sure to give the other person a chance to speak. Part of good listening is knowing what to say when we are done listening, which brings us to effective communication component number 2, how you speak. Engaging the other party is another essential component of effective communication. Make sure to repeat people's answers, to acknowledge that you are listening, and to affirm the decisions they are making. Also, make sure to demonstrate that you are paying attention by peppering the conversation with small interjections such as interesting or great or terrific or wonderful or ouch. When talking to others, always remember that you are forging stronger relationships by asking them than you will be telling them about yourself. Effective communication component number 3, body language. Right or wrong, fairly or unfairly, as humans, we tend to be judgmental of others, and those judgments can dramatically impact your body language, which can be disastrous to any attempt to effective communication. So how do we overcome that? By making a conscious effort to be accepting of others, by making sure to convey empathy for the position others find themselves in, by putting a smile on your face. Even on the phone, people can tell. A smile makes the other party feel confident and good. Also, try to avoid crossing your arms, which signals resistance. And finally, be careful when it comes to eye contact. Too much can be a sign of aggression instead of the genuine care you're trying to convey. One of the ways I remind myself of the importance of powerful communication is to practice affirmations to start my day or prior to an important meeting. Check out these 4 affirmations and adopt as many of them as you like. I am committed to being gracious and understanding. I am committed to being considerate and non-judgmental. I commit to be quick with a smile and quick to praise. I hope you take these communication tips and put them to good use. Remember, effectively communicating with prospects and clients start with listening, not talking. If you find this content useful, as always, like and follow my page and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.